Hello, in today's video I'm gonna show you very good software that allows you to rename multiple files in only a few steps, and the whole process takes only a few seconds. Hello again. In today's video I'm gonna be talking about a program called bulk rename utility. I have a bunch of files that I want to rename, and then if you are trying to do it some other way, it may take you a lot of time. So I just want to show you a quick and easy and efficient way to rename your files. So as you can see on the left hand side, I have a bunch of files that look a little bit different, and I want to sort them by the time that I was recording. But because I use different cameras, they have a different format. So what I want to do first, as you can see, my files M2TS, they don't have this underscore right here. So the first thing I want to do is I want to remove underscore from all those files. So then when I'm going to sort it, and when I click just name, as you can see, this format of the file is the date, then the hour, and then the minute, and then a second. So when I just click name, then they're gonna be sorted exactly by the time they were recorded. So let me show you how to do it. So we're gonna go to this program. Look at the bottom of the video. I'm gonna give you a shortcut to where you can download this program from. So just to easy find it, I put it on my drive C and on the test. So those are the files that I want to rename. So basically everything that I want is without underscore. So we're gonna start with this file, and you have a couple of options. You can later play with them. I'm just gonna show you very easily how to remove this underscore, so you don't need to go and do it individually on all files. So first, what I want to do is I want to go to remove area, and this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th position. Now you can see that if I click first, then the first digit is being removed, or second, third, fourth. So I'm removing all those numbers from the file name, so I don't want that. If I want to remove this underscore, and this is on the 9th position of the file name, if I'm going to click 9, as you can see, this underscore gets eliminated. So if I can just uncheck it, so you can see right here it jumps, right? So if you wanted to remove the 10th digit, and if I click over here, then number 1 gets deleted. So what I'm going to do as a bulk, I want to go and remove the 9th digit to 9th digit, and between this file, from this file down to this file. As you can see, this is our change. All you do is just click shift, and so this is old name and this is a new name. Nothing else is going to be changed except the name. So I'm going to go and click copy to move and location. So copy to move, so I'm going to click new path, and I'm going to go choose my computer. I'm going to go on drive C just to keep it test. I'm gonna create new folder. I'm gonna click done, and those files I'm gonna put right here. So now I'm just going to go click rename, and I click OK. And that's it. Now let's go and check it out. Now I'm gonna go to my computer, to my test, and to my done. And as you can see, all those files are without the underscore. Just to compare it with the original file, just to show you how it looks. So this is the original, this is the change file. So as you can see, this one is exactly the same, 2024-03-20, 2024-03-20, and then there is the underscore on those files. It's simple as that. Now let me show you another option that you can do with those files. On the files, for example, I have a bunch of GoPro files and I want to rename those and add the time when they were actually recorded. So for example, I'm going to remove this part, okay, and I'm gonna choose those files. Doesn't matter what extension it is. And so let's take a look at this one. If I wanted to change to the date, now I can do a prefix, and I want to do creation date. So I'm gonna go, let's say, creation of a new file. No. So I want to go choose the date and time of the file when it was created, which is under modified. So I'm gonna go modified current, okay. And now let's double check. Now all I want to do also is to have so what I want to do is have a year, month, date, hour, and second. So I'm gonna choose this format. Now let's check this format. So now we're gonna have 24. It doesn't show 2024, so I may have to rename them later, put 20 in front of 24. But let's take a look at this one. So it's 2024, and then we have 0320, so 320, and now it's 8:23 and 19 seconds. So 8:23 and 19 seconds, and then at the end we have the file a name at the end. So what we can do exactly the same thing, and we can do it to multiple files, and I can save them into the same folder. I'm gonna click rename, click OK, and it's done. So let's go and take a look. So now we have those files that are renamed depending on the time when the file was actually recorded. So you got the idea. You can play with the rest of the settings. It's super easy. Software is free, and the program is called Bulk Rename Utility. It's available from this website. I'm gonna give you the link at the bottom of my video. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.